Automovill is my trusted car service partner. Basically, the technicians, I had to interact with the technicians only who came to my doorstep. They're quite friendly and they're quite open to the problem of the car. So they were saying they would do all the required necessary inspection first. After doing the inspection, they told that a few things needed to be changed. So they're quite friendly, polite, and also well behaved. It was good. In fact, it was a lot cheaper than going to a garage, and also it saved my time because I need not take my car to the garage. Rather, the garage has come to my car. I don't think they have any hidden charges. First thing, main difference is I don't need, as I said earlier, I don't need to take my car out of my garage or my home. So that is a major difference. Otherwise, if there is an authorized service center, I need to take my car to that particular location. So, and sometimes the car is not in a condition to take to a garage. So anyways, the mechanic has to come to my place. But this time it is through an app based, and I think the app is quite user friendly. Yeah, the user experience is seamless actually. In fact, I have recommended 2 more friends. Automovill is my trusted car service partner.